The last activity.
ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ అయింది కదా.
I'm going to start, no?
It's last.
దెన్ను కూర్చోద్దు జ్యోతిక
This is
వదిన
the first.
It's last.
No, this is first.
This is last.
This is first. This is the first one. Is it okay? Is it okay? Now we are going to talk about the workers, the community helpers. What is a community helper?
Police,
Yeah.
teacher,
Yes.
doctor,
Wow.
baker.
Who? Who?
చెప్పు.
Say again.
Baker.
No. Let's see who are all helping us. Can we see?
గట్టిగా చెప్పు. ఎస్ టీచర్.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, who is she? Who is she?
Teacher.
Bless you. Okay. Okay. Who is he?
Baker.
Yeah, he's a baker. Good job. He's a chef.
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 Hands.
Food.
Chef.
He's a chef.
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 Yes, okay. Who is she?
She. Doctor auntie.
Doctor. Okay. Who is he? Holding something on the hand. Who is he? He's a farmer. Farmer. Farmer will do what? Farmer will do what?
ఫార్మర్ ఏం చేస్తారు? వాట్ ఫార్మర్ డు?
Farmer.
English.
Farmer ఏం చేస్తున్నారు?
తెల్లకు జ్యోతికన్నా ఇంకా ఆహర్షరావు.
I don't know Telugu. Please tell
టీచర్ వీడు తెలుగు. ఇఫ్ హీ ఈస్ స్పీకింగ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు డోంట్ గివ్ హిమ్ హార్ట్స్ అండ్ స్టార్స్.
Okay, fine.
No stars for him because he's waiting daily.
Yeah.
Teacher will give me heart and stars.
Yes,
That's why
there
he's
is a
joining.
sticker too. I have so many stickers.
If you want stickers,
want it?
heart and star.
And I told you, right? I don't know how to speak in Telugu, so how can I understand what you're saying?
తెలుగు వస్తుంది.
This hard.
టీచర్ కి తెలుగు చెప్పు. టీచర్ నీకు ఇంగ్లీష్ టీచ్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే.
Yes, I'll tell you in English only. I don't know Telugu.
Chal, we'll just start you, teacher. No heart.
Ready?
This
What the
is
farmer will do?
what?
The farmer is going to do what? How will you get your food? Your
Pick
vegetable?
and put it in the plants.
Yes, he's gonna grow the plants, right? The farmer who is growing the plants,
Yes.
right? Okay. Who is she? Who is he?
He. This.
Yeah, the boy with the cap,
Pilot.
the blue uniform. Is he? Wow. Who like to be a pilot? Who like to be a pilot?
B.
You like pilot?
Yes.
Oh.
Teacher, may
Okay. I told you.
May I drink some water?
Sure, you can. Yes. Slower.
Yes.
Okay. What he is doing? Who is he?
She.
No, he.
E.
The one who with the pan on arm, like, who is he? Who is he? ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను నేను.
Baker.
I told you, right? Huh?
Baker.
I told you he's not he's a baker too, but he's have other names. No. Chef. What did I say?
Chef.
Chef who is making dish. Your yummy chicken, your yummy palak. He only makes, no?
Yeah.
At hotel. Yuvansh.
Smoke.
Smoke.
Yes.
Where is the smoke?
Tap. Tap is
There is
smoke.
That is not a smoke. That's an omelette. Egg.
Not this one.
Oh, on his yes, on his
Dot,
hand.
dot,
Yes,
dot,
that's
dot,
not a
dot.
smoke. Yeah, I can see. I can see. She's holding a this one, right? You're talking about this?
No. This one.
No?
This one. Dot.
This one? This
Dot.
one?
Big dot. No.
This one?
No, this one.
No?
This one. No.
What is the big
Oval.
no?
Big dots.
This one?
This one.
This one?
No, this one. This one.
Where is the big dots?
This one.
Okay, that is a smoke.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What he is doing? What he is holding on his sit straight. You want sit straight. Put your legs down. Yay. Good boy. Very good. I'm gonna give you a clap. See, Yuvansh is a good boy, obeying to the teacher quickly. Very good. Could you please say what he is holding? What is on his hand?
Kulu.
Ah, screw, right? Who will do this work? Who will screw your bike? Who will repair your bikes, your electronic items? Who will repair your bikes, cycles, scooter, your car? Who will repair?
Uh,
Who will repair?
Carpenter.
No.
Carpenter will do what? Carpenter will fix your cupboards, fix your bed. He do only the wooden works.
And what about he?
He is a mechanic.
Mechanic.
Yes, who is gonna help you in repairing your car, cycle, bike, scooter, right?
Right.
He is a mechanic. Listen here, Yuvansh. Yuvansh.
Okay.
Go to
Yuvansh.
But
Okay. What she is doing, she is painting. Who paints? Who paints?
Poopings.
Who paints?
No,
Who's
teacher.
the one who paints?
Something. Who paints?
Who
Who
has
is she? Who is she?
painter?
Yes, very good. But she's not a painter. The one who paint the wall is called painter, but she's doing some drawing. Then what we have to call her? Artist. Artist.
Artist.
Artist.
Artist.
No, baby.
Not
Teacher,
ant.
lips chudu. Mouth. Look.
Art.
Art.
Yeah, artist.
Artist.
Good job. Very good. You'll get a blast. You did a blast.
No, I won't do best.
More and more blast. Okay, what she is doing? She's having some beaker on her hand, no? The
Yes.
one thing holding, no, a beaker, like a tumbler.
Look what
Who is she?
he?
No.
She.
Dr. Auntie.
Hi. No, doctor. She is a scientist. Scientists will do what? They will do research and invent new things. They'll create new things. What they'll do?
New
They'll
thing.
create new toys, new games, new theme park. You like theme park?
Yes.
They'll create everything new. Okay?
Everything you.
Yes. Okay. Who is he?
Police.
Yeah. He.
Don't.
Police.
Yes, he is a police. Okay. Now. Oh, who know him? The red color shirt with the red color cap. Who is he?
Fireman.
Firefighter.
Fireman.
Firefighter.
Fireman.
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 Fireman. Yeah. Okay. Who is he?
Fireman.
Very good. Good job. Good job. What? Who is he? Who is he?
She,
Yeah. She is a.
Dr. Nurse Auntie.
She'll be there at hospital. Do you know?
Nurse Auntie.
Yes, she's a nurse. Very good. She's a nurse. Okay. The other one with the yellow cap. Who is he? Who is he?
Constructions.
Yes, who is doing the construction? Builder.
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 Okay, there is no clue for him. Okay, you just skip him. Let's do him. Who is he?
He.
He, this one, who is carrying some
Officer.
letters. He's officer.
Officer.
He is having something on his hand.
Paper.
That's a letter. That's a letter. Or
That
your
is a
bill.
parcel.
Oh, that's a parcel. It's the parcel. Okay, who is he? The one who gives you the parcel is who? But he doesn't have a parcel.
He doesn't have more parcel.
No. He's having some letters. Who is he? Who is he?
He.
Yeah.
This one.
Yes.
Uh,
Postman.
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 Hand.
No yawning. No
Very
yawning.
last.
That's it. It's in. See? There is nobody's here. That's it. That's it, no?
That's it.
Okay. Now we'll quickly do who are them. Okay? Then we'll do some story today.
No. This is not doing.
Why?
This is not talking.
Who is not talking?
This one all.
We'll do. We both will say. Fine. Quick.
Quick.
Ready? Yeah, ready. 1, 2, 3. Who is she? Like teacher, chef,
Teacher.
doctor. Can we say like that?
No.
Don't like?
Don't like.
What happened?
We community helpers. Tell one by one. Mama will say very good. Look at this.
I'll give you star. I'm gonna give you this. Okay, fine. Come on. Come on, we'll do something else. Come on.
The name
Come
is-
on. Okay, now you want gonna find out something. Are you ready to find?
Yes.
Okay. What we have to find out? Can we find out fruits?
Yes.
Yes. Ready?
I want one flute.
To find Jayan.
Which
What
fruit? Which fruit you want?
A pineapple, one flute.
Yes, pineapple is a fruit.
Yes. One flute only.
Yes.
One only.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna show you one picture. You have to find out what is the fruit is. Are you ready? For everything, I'm gonna give you a multicolor star. Are you ready for that?
I want
Multicolor star, rainbow star.
I want one flute.
Yuvi, look at this. What is this?
I'll tell you story. What is this fruit? Is it a mango?
The man.
What is
Check
that?
it out. Is it a mango?
Tomato.
No.
No, I said it's a fruit. Tomato is also a fruit. But what is this one? It's look like a tomato. Yeah, you're good. Genius, good. But it's a
Tomato.
it look like a tomato. I'll give you star, yes, because it's look like a tomato though. Tomato is also a fruit. But what about this one?
This one. Lemon.
Oh, let's check how many stars you get. Okay. Wait, what about this? I don't know what is this.
2 stars.
What is
Apple.
this? I don't know what is this.
It look like an apple.
Ah, but then what about this one?
This one.
The teacher చూడు ఇది.
This one?
This one?
Yeah.
Apple.
It's an apple. Okay, then. I don't know what is this. We'll figure it out later. What is this?
Pear.
Yes. Wow, very good. I'm gonna give you star again. Pear, 1 star. Apple, 1 star. Okay, what about this one?
This one?
Yes.
Hmm?
Apricot.
Apricot.
No.
No.
No apricot. Let's try. Let's try.
నేను గుడ్ వర్క్ చేశానా?
నువ్వు గుడ్ వర్క్ చేయట్లేదు.
I'm gonna give you this stickers. I'll give you right away. Yes, yes. I'll give you sticker right away. I'll give you stickers right away.
ఏంటి?
What? This.
What is this?
This.
This.
Yeah. It's look like a coconut, no? Coconut or guava?
Coconut.
Coconut or guava?
Coconut.
It's more or less look like a guava.
Papaya.
Papaya. Very good. That's a papaya. Very good. So yes, it is
Banana. This one.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
one.
It's a
Banana.
banana. Very good. It's a banana. What about this?
What about this?
నువ్వు చెప్పు. What
Huh?
Pineapple.
Oh, it's a pineapple. Okay, what about this one?
This.
Yeah, it's look like a potato, no? What is that fruit?
Potato.
No.
బ్రౌన్
No
కలర్
potatoes.
లాగా ఏంటో ఏ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఉంటాయి?
Kiwi.
Exactly. Good job.
Pick it and put.
Give you stars. Okay, what about this one?
What?
It is an apple. The apple, and I think it's orange.
This is
Yeah, that's the
apples.
orange.
One,
Yeah. What is this one? What is this one?
1, 2.
With the crown on the head. What is this?
This
What is this?
tomato.
Ah, no, 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 no. Tomato have a different crown. I think it's a different fruit, not a tomato. Okay, it has crown on the head, no? Which is the fruit has the crown on the head?
Oh my.
It's a pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
Who like pomegranates?
Me. No, I
Me.
don't like pomegranates.
What do you mean?
I like
Mm-hmm.
potato chips.
Potato chips is not a fruit, I think. Does it a fruit?
Fruit. Which fruit you like?
What is this one?
Pineapple.
You like pineapple? Wow, I do like pineapple. What about this one? Last one. Last. One last.
Mango.
Wow, it's a mango. Very good. I'm gonna give you a multicolor star. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
A big multicolor star.
Rainbow star.
I love this.
Okay, good job. Okay, Yuvansh, can we do some spellings again? A says what? Quickly say A says what? A says what?
Apple.
Apple. B says what?
B says what?
B says what? B says.
Bling
Okay,
your
C
ball
says
and
what?
bling your ball. Bling your bat and bling your ball. Bling
What
your
is the
ball
C
and bling
says?
your bat.
Go back.
Fine. What is your C says?
C says. Chip.
C says what?
Cut.
Very good. D says what?
The dog.
Good job. E says what?
Elephant.
Does the E elephant? E says E elephant? A elephant. A elbow. A egg. Is it so or not? Yes or no?
Yuvansh.
It's the
Yuvansh. E says what?
it says E. E.
E says A elbow. Every time when you say E, you should show your elbow and say A elbow. A elbow. E says different sound. A elbow. Now.
Only last.
Yeah, only last. Yes, I agree. F says,
Look here.
F says, very good. What is this? You told me in the last class, no? What is this bird?
This is flamingo eating the fish.
Wow. Okay, what about this one? What is this letter called? What is this one?
Ground.
Very good. Ground. G for? G says ground. Okay, what about this one?
Ground.
What about this?
At.
Says what? H says what?
Hatch. Ha.
Hat. Abba. Hat. Hen. Right? Now.
I'm feeling sleepy.
You feeling sleepy? Okay. 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now, what is this one?
J.
J says what?
G.
Ah, very good. Okay, next one is what? After J is what? K says what?
Jellies.
K says what? K says what?
King.
Yes. King. Kite. Cola. Kaylee. Right? Now, let's see. What is this one?
This one. L for
Oh.
Lee.
What?
Lee.
Lee?
Chattu.
What is that?
Chattu.
Leech.
Yes.
Okay, L for leech, L for lamb, L for ladybug, L for lotus, but L doesn't say la. L says l. Like licking a lollipop. L. How to say the L? L. Say L, not L. L. Wow. Very good. Okay, good job. Now, I'm going to show you one thing. You're supposed to match it. Are you ready? Let's check you want to know the smaller ABCD or not. Otherwise, I'll help you. Fine?
No.
I'll help you. The Spider-Man sticker is on the way. Are you ready to get?
Yes.
Okay. So, what is this?
This.
Yes.
Car.
Okay. So, car is what?
Bandi.
Huh?
Bandi.
What is the spelling for the car? What is the spelling for the car?
Car.
So what should I write here? Could you find out in the below and say?
Car.
I'll write the numbers. It's 1, it's 2, it's 3, it's 4, it's 5. What is for car? Which letter I should write?
A. Car.
Should I write the A here? Okay, I'll write the A here. Am I correct?
Yes. It's correct.
Then what happened to the apple? So I should write the apple here, right?
Like.
So what happened to the
Teacher,
car
he did
here?
not understand this.
Yeah, I understand. Okay. So you have to find out, does he, recognize the smaller letters? Ma'am? Is he recognizing the
He
small
is
letters?
recognizing, yes. If I'm writing on a paper, he is able to, yes, Mama, H, J, but he's taking time to think.
That's okay.
I'll
Fine.
put
No, Coach,
You're
teacher
good.
jump into
You're
this.
good. I'm going to give you the Spider-Man. Spider-Man. What is that little Spidey? What is that?
Spider-Man.
Amazing.
I
Amazing
want blue
Spidey.
Spider-Man.
You want a
Blue
blue
and
Spider-Man?
red. Blue and red.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Blue and
Very
red.
good.
Mixing.
I'll give you. Okay. What is this? Could you please find out the sound for this one? What is that?
E. E. E.
Wow. No?
Arrow.
Ah.
Arrow.
So should I write the E here?
Yes.
Good job. You got it. Now, what is this and this?
Duck.
What is this and this?
Duck.
At the end, what is this?
Dog.
What is this? Okay.
Dog.
Dog. What should I write here?
The dog.
Okay, what should I write here? The dog. The dog. Ah, that is not B. That is D. Here, see?
I want duck. Duck.
Belly on the front. I told you, right? Duck has belly on the front. So you should write the belly on the front letter. That is D.
D.
Fine? Now, what is this one?
What?
What is this one?
What? This one?
This one.
Ball.
Ball and the
Bear.
bear. Okay, what should I write here? What is the sound will come?
B. 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 B.
Very good. Should I write this one? Am I correct?
Yes. It's
Now the last one on the first. What is this?
Catty.
What is this?
What is this?
Car.
Okay, what about this?
Car. Catty.
Catty and the car. Okay, what it says? Car. What should I write here?
A alphabet. Which alphabet will come here?
Which alphabet I should write?
C.
Good job. I'm gonna give. Very good. See, very good.
See, teacher is giving you clap. Wow.
Wow. Now,
Go, one more.
see, one more. Only one more. Not much. See, I'm gonna give you a blast. See, blast. Blast. You ready?
Bye.
Only one more, please. Fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's figure it out. Okay. Wow, my favorite is here. Egg, ice cream, grapes, fish. Wow. Okay, now you want
I
to say
don't
what is
like
this
it.
and what sound should I write?
Girls one. This look.
Okay,
This
it's
is
okay.
good.
It's a girl's
Don't
one.
like it?
Tell this. What is this?
What is this? Okay, very good. What should I write here? Very good, Yuvansh.
E.
What alphabet I have to write?
E.
Very good. Okay, what is this and this?
What?
What is this?
This one.
False.
And what is this?
Then what is this?
Hat.
ఇక్కడ ఏంటి వస్తుంది then?
Okay, what should I write? What alphabet I should write? What should I write? What letter I should write?
What is
How to write the ha?
What's
Can you
E?
help? What letter I should write? Should I write the H?
Horse.
Am I correct? I have to write the letter, no? What letter I should write?
చేశారు? Is
Come
this
on.
No.
correct or wrong?
Is it right? Very good. Thank you. What about this?
This.
Yeah.
Grape.
What about this?
Ice. This.
This.
Yeah.
Gold.
The girl. So, what is the sound?
What is the sound of grapes?
Ground, right?
Yes.
So, what should I write here? What letter I should write? Alright. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What should I write here?
E, F, G.
Everything? Okay. E, F, G. Everything?
F.
How? It's only g g sound, right? What should I write?
Go, go.
What
No,
should I write?
baby. Think. What
Only
does
G.
Grapes.
Yes. When I said the grapes, I should write the G, G, G. Okay? Okay. What about this one? What is this?
What?
This one?
Ice cream.
This one?
Ice.
Ice cube and ice cream. Ice cube and ice cream says what?
Cold.
You watch?
Yes.
Ice creams and ice cube says what?
Ice cream and ice cube. A,
Says what?
A.
No. I, right? Okay, what is this green color one and the blue color one? Who is he? Who is he? Last. What is this?
What?
This one.
Froggy.
What is this?
A fish.
Okay, froggy and fish is what?
Animals.
They are animals. What is the sound?
A, Y.
No. Oh, what should I write here then? I
F.
should write F. Very good. You will get it. Daily when we do this, you will get it. Okay? Okay, Yuvansh, can we see tomorrow?
Yes.
Tata, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow, teacher. See you.
You tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.